everybody wants to be paid for a fully custom, like SEMA car perfection restoration.
Got our super paintless dent removal.
Pretty good at trying to work out on the seam. The orange one over there got a good grip. The red one kind of had a good grip. The silver one not so much, but this one really did the number until I ripped the end off. So I went and picked up a whole bunch more of those, and we'll put a bunch on here and just try to work this out best we can. It already looks way better than what it did when we started, which really surprised me. So let's just see how much of this we can get out of there. So I got 6 of these little jobby doos. They're on sale for 98 cents a piece. Let's just see what we can do with them. It's one of those kind of figures, as soon as you turn the camera on, you get your new one. It doesn't work as good as the first one. Maybe it's a temperature thing. Let's see if I can get more than one. Didn't really have much grip on that one. I think earlier it worked better because I couldn't see what I was doing.
So we're taking a look up here and looking at how bad this looks. It still looks ridiculously bad. These little black suction cups, really impressed by them. Broke several of them in the making of this. To get it this far, had to use this red jobby do here, one side at a time. Silver one didn't quite work and completely blew that orange one out. So this is where we're at. Came up a lot. Used to be all the way up over in here. Quite a bit larger than what it looks like now. And oh yeah, we're talking about something here. We got our marker out, and we're gonna put some fancy lines on here. Yep, right there. We got a low spot there that dips down this way, kind of comes around this way, and then oh yeah, it goes around that way too. Got ourselves just a nice, cool little butt drawing there. Kind of what this looks like is a nice big butt, and we gotta focus right here on the crack, and try to get this out of here. That's the plan anyways, and if we have audio you could hear it. Got our super paintless dent removal kit here. This is a new purchase, never used one of these before, but here's what the whole kit comes with. We got the magic tool, which just happens to be a glue gun. We got a baby little hammer here. Nice looking slide hammer. and a little squeezy pulley thing, and then a little jack screw looking thing. Complete kit. Alright, let's get her up here and let's get our tool warmed up. We gotta get this thing going. Start gluing some things on. Don't really know what I'm doing. Arts and crafts, I guess. Well, try to glue these things on here and I don't know, see what happens. So awesome audio drop there. We lost all the audio from that, but we were working on this area here. We had a high spot here still yet, and a high spot here, and a dip down. So what we were doing was pulling up with that tool and pushing on the feet on the high spot, rotating it, and then tapping on the high spot while pulling up to try to work it out. And I am just super happy with this. I don't know if you could tell, but we've been working it quite a bit. We started with the suction cups at first, moved on to this glue-on dent puller, and it is far from perfect, but way better than what it was before. We had a really big dent here. This whole area was caved in, dented really hard right here, and it's just slowly coming back. I'm really getting excited to see where this is gonna go. All right, so let's talk about something we didn't really talk about before. I am working on this roof mainly because I can't find anybody to work on this cab. The plan was to send this truck to the body shop, have a new windshield installed, new rear window installed, get all the dents worked out of the rooftop here, and have the whole thing painted. But I cannot find anybody to do that. Everybody wants to be paid for a fully custom, like SEMA car perfection restoration, and that's just not what we're going for here. We want kinda good and one color. Yeah, not to mention they're also, all the good guys are like years out in the making and probably $10,000 just to paint this. So we don't have that kind of money, and this truck is not in the budget. So here we are. I am not a body man. I really don't know what I'm doing. So if you're a body man, probably turn away or look away. We're trying to work all these dents out. We're working on the other side. We got the huge dent on the passenger side, worked out and roughed out. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but 1,000 times better than it was. Now we're gonna start working on the driver's side. Here we go. I kind of got them circled here, highlighted. I don't know if what the best angle with the lighting is. Really hard to see dents. So you got a decent one here, here, here. And this is like a continuation here. This one I started to work on the other side. And those
glue on disc. I mean, I pulled the nub off of this one, popping this out. So we got that pulled up, but we still got some more to work out there. Got a decent one here. Nothing really hard pointy. Then we got a scratch here. This one may or may not come out. It gets pretty intense there. But anyways, let's clean these off, start gluing some discs on, and try to pop these out. All right, here's what we're looking like afterwards. We just worked on it for about a half hour, 40 minutes, give or take. Got this guy pulled up roughly where it needs to be. This guy pulled up roughly where it needs to be. This crease here roughly out. And then we worked on this dent a little bit more here. We started on the other side. I also worked on this one. So I don't know if you could tell, I can't tell, but I do think it looks better. Armed with the hot glue gun, melting stuff to paint. I don't know if paintless is really the word for this. More like you don't have any paint left after you use this. This is really old paint. We're not really working for that aspect of it. We're just trying to get the dents out of there using what we got. We don't have a stud gun. And I kind of like it because this is just a little bit more forgiving if you don't know what you're doing. Stud gun, slide hammer, you can pull it wherever you want. Mess it up, maybe even more. Here, since they're not real abrupt dents, they kind of want to pop back to where they naturally want to be. Whatever makes them happy. And if you get too much force on those suction cups, they'll just pop right off. You still can deform it incorrectly, but not as bad as what a welded on stud would do. Glue gun. So we're waiting in line at the car wash here, and just to get a glimpse of the before and after. Now this was the major dent. It's not perfect. Still has a little bit. It's a little lumpy, okay? We got this score. We didn't even try to get that out because it's too sharp. This side came out pretty decent. But we're gonna run this baby through the auto car wash and see if we get any dents back. See if it pops down. If you've ever been in a F150, you'll know that pops and makes all kinds of creaky noises anytime you go through car wash because of the double layer. It's really thin up there. We're gonna make sure it doesn't bring back any of those dents. We got the major one over there. Yeah. See how it goes. Also gonna be a great time to check for leaks. We got our brand new windshield up front and then our brand new rear glass we installed in the back. We were getting some runs down the window and some drips from the ceiling. I don't know if it's the drain tries on the side of the roof or if it was the window itself. Hopefully this car wash is gonna let us know. Not bad on that half. I didn't hear any loud bang pops. That's a good sign. Alright, good news. I don't see any water coming from the ceiling. Nothing up here. No drippage. Now over here, we had water that came in, and that's because this felt is completely gone in this side vent window. So we're gonna have to address that. I think we'll just take the old side vent from the flap from the original door, swap that back in there. Well, what do you guys think? Did it dent the roof back up? I don't know. Let's get up there and take a look. It's pretty decent. I think we may have one right here, a big sweeping one right here that came back. I don't see any of the major dents. It came back. I'm gonna call that a win because I expected this to have like a big cup dent in it. We just got a small one right here that kind of came back. Just a very gradual one. Can't hate on that. I was worried this one was gonna pop back down. Winning.